Did you all know that Louisville was top 10 foodie city of the US? We have over 2,500 restaurants. And yes, bourbon is a food. But don't you debate that. Right at the corner of the Highlands and St. Matthews is the cutest little diner called Burger Girl. Okay, so we just ordered our food. I got me some cheese fries, some jalapeno poppers, and a grilled cheese sandwich. And Kobe ended up getting him a bison burger double. So we can't wait to see what that tastes like. I don't know if you all can see this or not, but he is seasoning the mess out of those fries right before they put the cheese on them, and that's probably why they taste so good. Yum, yum. These things are dripping in cheese. Alright, so we're getting ready to try these fries first. Look at these. Hey, babe. Look at all that cheese.
I got more cheesiness in the pizza you made that one time.
Go ahead. Very good. Very seasoned. Very, very good. Very hot, very fresh. First, I think they tossed them in like some seasoned salt and then put the cheese on them. Look at that. That cheese. Oh my goodness. That's good.
I just record, yeah. It's like that. I don't know.
Yeah, I do like tropical.
Grilled cheese. How buttery. Look at that. Wow. Big on cheese. It's so good. Woo. That's good. Let's see what Kobe has. Alright, so now we're gonna try these. Probably ranch. Let's give it a try. Ooh.
Okay, I'll be right here. Don't run, please.
Okay, of course.
Now these are what you call a jalapeno bite. These are like the real deal. It tastes just like you would expect from a hometown diner. I think that Kobe's burger was so big that he couldn't finish it.
So I thought the restaurant gave large portions. The food was pretty well seasoned. I thought the staff was amazing. The only thing I wish is that they melted the cheese on Kobe's bison burger, which, by the way, he said was absolutely amazing. So guys, I do recommend this restaurant. If you're ever in Louisville, you know where to go.
It has been an absolute pleasure to have you guys here with me today. Keep hustling, be humble, and remember that this is your reality. But come visit Louisville though. But I gotta go. Bye. Make sure you follow me on TikTok at Pansy Rowe, on Instagram at Pansy Rose Reality, and support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing.